What's going on, guys? I'm back with another video, and I am about to start my video with Bonk, which I have actually been trying to make video about it, but I've been too busy. I just got graduated finally as an industrial engineer, and I am very happy and very excited to start my career as a full-time engineer. And for my own privacy, I'm not going to share with you where I'm going to be working, but I've been working there. I was a co-op there, but finally I'm going to be working as a full-time engineer. So I'm going to share some of the photos with you at the end, with photos of my graduation. All right, so Bonk actually has been going like crazy up because of all these exchange listings. Binance added, crypto.com added. So it, obviously this coin is just going up and up. But finally, after all those buy the rumor, sell the news, we see that the coin's price has actually went down, being going down from, I mean, almost like the current price is actually 40% from the all-time high of Bonk, more than 40% actually. So to me, somebody actually asked me if he should hold on his Bonk coins. He got it a long time ago, and I congratulate him for actually buying this gem, hidden gem. I mean, a lot of meme coins, you never know when they're gonna blow up, but Bonk was successful, and congratulations whoever bought it when it was a lot lower. But so finally, I think Bonk's hype is gonna actually end and somehow, and uh, price is gonna probably meet around this area, which is a very good support for Bonk. And I'm gonna put that actually price level around here. Almost, I'm expecting the price, maybe if it gets supported around here, because we see a little bit of sideways and a little bit of breakout. And honestly, I don't really like to make lines, sharp lines with a high slope, with a very sharp slope, because whenever you make a line like this, price actually can go even lower and touch the line this way, and you can't really expect that to find this like 100% support around here just because it went out of this area. Okay, and I'm going to actually make another video talking about this. This is very important. I'm going to show you how you should actually trust your support and resistance lines. And I want to let you guys know, between this technical analysis, some of you guys actually, thank you actually for suggesting, but I have not actually been using any microphone. This is just my laptop, and I'm just recording it. I know it's not a really good quality, but I've been very busy with the school and work, and so I'm gonna start investing more. I'm gonna buy some mic. I'm gonna start, invest a little bit on my videos, but give me a little bit of time. Thank you for being patient and supporting my channel. Thank you for liking, subscribing. I get a lot of comments and a lot of good comments. I see a lot of you guys being very, very kind to me with your comments. Thank you very much. And I promise I will not disappoint you guys. Once I see that a lot of you guys are asking about the gems that I'm holding or trying to buy, I'm really good at finding good coins. Of course, not 100% of it are gonna be successful, because you never know. Like FTX, Luna, a lot of people trusted those coins. They were big back then, but they crashed and they just went to poof. Okay, but I usually like to risk my money a little bit more than just getting into top 100 coins, because I like high risk, high reward. But because I do not put my 100% of my money into one basket, I usually put 20, 30, $100 into any coins I want. And I think in the low cap coins, because I believe that a lot of them are just waiting for the bull market to come, and they're gonna just go to the roof. Okay, they'll go to the moon, not roof. But anyways, so I think if we actually find support here, we're gonna probably retest around this area one more time. But honestly, this coin has been going way too high, so I'm expecting a lot of people to start taking profit. Okay, but if it does not really find any support here, we're gonna probably go back down. But I'm expecting this is gonna be a very too sharp of a I would say even crash, because it's gonna be almost more than 40%, you know. So even if from here to this line, it's gonna be another 31%, and from all-time high, which would be a big number. Yeah, that's going to be almost 60%, 58%. So that's a huge number. But eventually, I believe that it's going to get here because of bear market rally that I believe we are in. And you guys see that RSI is in the overbought territory, even though it has actually crashed 40% so far. And you guys see it just pushes that over to the overbought territory. And so eventually I'm expecting to go back to this price, because this area, as if you guys have watched my previous video, I've been telling you guys that I call these ties, which usually after a price breaking above usually gets back to it because of not having a little bit of retest. Because usually whenever some in the chart, some candles breaks above and goes very sharp without actually having a retest and going up, we usually should expect eventually the price go back down. It could actually go a lot higher and then go back down. We do not know exactly, but eventually this is going to be my next target if it actually breaks below. So this is for Bonk, and we're going to go to Bitcoin. In my previous video, as I was expecting, if you guys watch my previous video, I made a line here from this. Again, this is happening. I don't know. This is just not working. Anyways, so I made a line all the way for the support, and I said if we actually break below this support line, we're gonna probably meet this area, which we just saw that, right? So whoever actually shorted Bitcoin around $42,000 almost, down to 40,800, 800 something, so they would have had it, they would have made a lot of money by just doing futures, and on which I usually say that I don't recommend doing this because it's a very high risk. It's like online casino, you're playing against your exchange. But I am expecting if we actually find another support here, because usually in 4-hour charts, if we meet some areas that we had a little bit of sideways and consolidations and breaking above, and price meeting back here, if we actually see a little bit of more support and breaking above, we might see actually price pushing back above here. I am still expecting price of Bitcoin to go around 43,800, almost 900, maybe $44,000, because I've not actually seen same thing that I was just mentioning about Bonk. We did not actually see a 4-hour pullback or retest to this line and crashing back down. So I am still expecting a pullback to this area. We could actually find support and go back here, and then we go to lower prices. My next target would be almost $39,500, $600 if we actually get rejected here, or actually breaking below and go straight down to this line. Okay, so short term I am neutral because we need to see some price action here, but my previous prediction was just right, and we actually see this meeting this area, this tie right here. Okay, we see that price actually slowed down a little bit, but we do not know what is Monday tomorrow in US time. So if we actually see open for stock market and see how stock market is going to perform, if they start crashing, we might actually see lower price, which is not out of expectation. Okay, so this is another short Bitcoin update for you guys, and I have probably forgotten some of your requests right now because I've been very busy with my graduation and everything, but please comment down below if I forgot to mention any of your requests, and I will come back with another video. Peace, take care.